Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Gadgets. Today we're going to review the brand new Hamali GT01 smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, design, what materials it is made of, what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it use, and what option do we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new GT01, and I'd like to thank our sponsor Hamali Official for making this video possible and giving this great watch to us, which you can buy for yourself in the link below. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. First up, inside we've got the manual on how to use it. It has everything you need to know about the watch and what to do. Next is the magnetic charging cable to charge our watch, which can take about 2 hours to fully charge, and the battery, which has a capacity of 210 mAh, can last up to 7 to 10 days for average use, or up to 20 days on standby only on a single charge. After that, as you can see in the box, we have the watch, and you can see it's a really beautiful watch. It comes in a square shape that looks sporty, stylish, and fits men and women. The wearable has a rectangular body with a single physical button on the side. It is a compact smartwatch that has an IP68 dust-proof body, as well as waterproof. The sleek display is accompanied by a skin-friendly silicone strap that is comfortable to wear. And as you can see, it has the TPU black straps, which are really great, with adjustable length from 150 to 220 millimeters, and you can get it in different colors like black, blue, green, gray, lavender, and pink. It is 220 millimeters in length, 44 millimeters in height, 22 width, 10.3 millimeters thickness, with a very durable glass, and it weighs at around 50 grams including the strap. The GT01 smartwatch is made of zinc alloy and has a massive 1.55-inch, 330 by 360 high-resolution, beautifully curved 2.5D glass display. This high-resolution display is unusual in a budget watch. It has nearly the same resolution as the Apple Watch Series 3. It runs the RTL 8762C processor with G sensor, heart rate monitoring, as well as blood oxygen monitor. The smartwatch has Bluetooth 5.2 that is compatible with Android 4.4 and above, iOS 8.0 and above platform. So now let's go inside and see what options and apps we have here. If you swipe down, it will show you our notifications, which you can see right here. If you swipe up, we have options like brightness, where you can change it on 3 levels, do not disturb, raise wrist awake in settings. If you swipe left or right, we can see some of the widgets we have set up. Like steps, which monitors your steps, calories burnt and distance traveled, heart rate, where you can monitor and see your statistics on your heart rate and also measure it if you want, sleep, which monitors our sleep, phone, where we can receive and make calls and see our phone log, outdoor running measure, and more sport measures, which this watch supports 14, and you can measure anyone you want. If you press on the side button, it will show you the home screen with all the apps inside, which right now are on a grid view, like steps monitoring, that you can see all the data that it gathers from your activity, outdoor running that we talked about, heart rate monitoring, where you can monitor your statistics and also measure it if you want, SpO2 to measure the oxygen in our blood, and also breathing exercises. We also got sleep monitoring to monitor our sleep, and we've got weather, where you can program your city with GPS and see our current and upcoming weather. Next, we have the music player, which we need to connect to our phone, and then we can play music on our device via Bluetooth, and with the built-in speaker we can play it anywhere. After that, we've got the stopwatch, if you need to record the time of something you might do. We also have the alarm where you can set up any alarm you want and leave it however you want. There's also the timer if you want to use that too. And also settings where we've got options like raise wrist to wake, real-time heart rate, do not disturb, and also watch face, which will show us all of the faces you can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it. And as you can see, we've got a large number of them to choose from, so let's try some of them out. We've also got dimming, which serves for reducing screen brightness at night so it doesn't hurt your eyes, but you can set it however you like and see fit. On the bottom we've got the power off, restart, reset button, and about. So, these are pretty much all the options and settings you can find inside this watch. Now what we're going to do is put on the watch and test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, which constantly will measure your heart rate and can show you your previous and average heart rate. It will take a bit, then it will show us our heart rate. Next is the stress measurement, which we'll try. This is another useful feature that allows you to monitor your stress level. So, it will show it to you anytime you want, like this. After that, let's try the SpO2 measurement and measure our oxygen levels. This also takes some time, and it shows your current state of O2 levels, and also shows your previous and average O2 levels. Here we have deep breathing exercises to reduce potential anxiety by exercising deep diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing, allowing your lungs to expand. Relaxing breath exercise acts as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. This is another great feature this great watch offers. As you can see, this is a simple, accurate, and definitely attractive smart device. It fits the build quite nicely, and has a fashionable and stylish design. It includes all of the essentials you'll need to keep track of your fitness goals. I really enjoyed reviewing this model, and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's everything you would want in a watch. In the next video we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps does it use, and what options do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.